Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can mark your work items and tasks in your projects and workspaces in the Plane project management application as complete. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so navigate to your project inside your workspace here on Plane. And what you want to do is select one of your views here at the top. So let me go with a board layout view, for example. This is going to give us an overview of that to-do list or statuses here, the backlog, to-do, in progress, done, and cancel to the right. So what you want to do, guys, is there are three ways how you can mark these tasks as complete or work items. Option number one, you click into one of them and you simply change the state here under properties and switch from to-do to done or complete. And that's it. That's option number one. Let me just reverse that. Option number two, you simply click into that preview here of the given status and again switch to done. And then we got also, as you can see, the work item has been just moved to the done column. So let me just move it back to do. And then there's also option number three, guys. Intuitive, you may simply click into the given task and drop it in the given status or column, like done in this case here. And that's it. That's option number three, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.